happy song. A world so bright.
Let's sing letters all day long.
A is here, the apple arch buddy. Hi, friends. I'm A. A is for apple. Yay! B is here, the bubble bear buddy. Hello, friends. I'm B. B is for bear. Pop, pop. Let's learn B. C is coming, the cotton cloud buddy. Hi, friends. I'm C. C is for cloud. Here comes the doughy Dino D. Hello, friends. I'm D. D is for Dino.
Roar, roar.
E is here, the emerald elephant buddy. Hi, friends. I'm E. E is for elephant. F is here, the fluffy fox buddy. Hello, friends. I'm F. F is for fox. G is here, the gummy giraffe buddy. Hi, friends. I'm G. G is for giraffe. Tippy tap. H is here, the hoppy hippo buddy. Hello, friends. I'm H. I is here, the ice cream iguana buddy. Hi, friends. I'm I. I is for ice cream.
Slurp, slurp. Let's learn.
J is here, the jiggly jellyfish buddy. Hello, friends. I'm J. J is for jellyfish.
K is here, Ray, the kiwi koala buddy.
Hi, friends. I'm K. K is for kiwi. Hug, hug. Let's learn K. L is here, the lollipop lion buddy. Hi, friends. I'm L. L is for lion. Roar, roar. Let's learn L. M is here, the marshmallow monkey buddy. Hi, friends. I'm M. M is for monkey. N is here, the noodle narwhal buddy. Hi, friends. I'm N. N is for narwhal.
Splash.
O is here, the orange octopus buddy. Hi, friends. I'm O. O is for octopus.
Squish, squish.
P is here, the popcorn penguin buddy. Hi, friends. I'm P. P is for penguin. Flap, flap. Let's learn P.
Q is here, the quirky quail buddy.
Hi, friends. I'm Q. Q is for quail. Flap, flap. Let's learn Q. R is here, the rainbow rabbit buddy. Hi, friends. I'm R. R is for rabbit. S is here, the strawberry snake buddy. Hi, friends. I'm S. S is for snake. Let us learn S. T is here, the tulip tiger buddy. Hi, friends. I'm T. U is here, the umbrella unicorn buddy. Hi, friends. I'm U. U is for umbrella. Whirl.
V is here, the vanilla Viking buddy.
Hi, friends. I'm V. V is for vanilla.
Yay!
Let's learn. W is here, the watermelon whale buddy. Hi, friends. I'm W. W is for whale. X is here, the Xmas xylophone buddy. Hi, friends. I'm X. X is for xylophone. Ding, ding. Y is here, the yogurt yak buddy. Hi, friends. I'm Y. Y is for yogurt.
Z is here, the zebra zucchini buddy.
Hi, friends. I'm Z. Z is for